In this video, we'll build the fuel line for naturally aspirated and supercharged cars. If you're using a turbo donor, skip to the TC fuel line install video. Start by cutting the 3/8 nylon tube from your kit. For naturally aspirated cars, cut it to 8 inches. For supercharged cars, cut it to 23 inches. To make the next steps easier, build a simple holding tool. We used the end of our table, but a couple of 2x4s will work just as well. Attach the 2x4s together and then drill a 5/16 hole between them. Loosen the screws between the boards and insert the tubing. Leave 3/4 of an inch exposed above the boards. Tighten the screws after positioning the tubing. Use silicone spray like tire wet and an item that is under 1/4 of an inch diameter to flare out the end of the tubing. Prepare one of the connectors from the K12A baggie by removing the plastic clip and by spraying the barbed end with silicone spray. Use the steel line from the K12A baggie as a handle and hammer the barbed end of the fitting into the tubing. Keep it lined up with the tube as you hammer. Once the fitting is all the way into the tube, remove the steel line and reinstall the plastic clip. Loosen the holding tool and flip the line over to do the other end. Aim the opening of the connector as shown. Repeat the process on the other end to finish the fuel line.